Everyone, today's experiment is to determine the focal length of a convex lens by using a pin and a plane mirror. Apparatus used: a convex lens, a pin, a plane mirror, retort stand and a ruler. Now theory: light from an object kept at the focus of the convex lens after refraction becomes parallel to the principal axis. If these rays are allowed to fall normally on the plane mirror, the path of the rays will be reversed and the image of the object is formed at focus itself. Now the procedure: place the plane mirror on the base of the retort stand and a convex lens over the mirror on its reflecting surface. Mount a pin horizontally on the vertical rod of the stand and adjust the length of the pin, such that the tip of the pin is exactly above the center of the lens. Now raise the pin to see its inverted image above the convex lens and adjust the height of the pin to eliminate parallax error. After removing the parallax, see, we have to move this particular pin up and down to find the correct inverted image, like this. Once I get the image, try to coincide the tip of the image and the tip of this object pin together, and again move your head right or left just to check whether the parallax is removed or not. See the way I am doing. Here I am trying to find the image of the object and now the parallax is removed. You all know what exactly the parallax is. We have already done in the theory, right? So this is the position of the pin where I get the parallax removed L. Now measure and record the height x1 of the pin from the upper surface of the lens, right? So now we are going to measure the distance. So with the help of the thread we are going to measure the distance. Measure the length x1, see, like this. So now with the help of the thread we have taken the distance x1. When I measure this, the length is coming 15 centimeter, right? And now what I do is remove the lens and now measure the distance or the height from the top of the plane mirror, like this. Like this, and again I'll measure the distance with the help of the ruler. So here it is coming 15.5. So now note down the reading. x1 height is 15 centimeter and x2 height is 15.5 centimeter. So the formula for the focal length is x1 plus x2 by 2. So here it becomes f is equal to 15 plus 15.5 upon 2. So it becomes
15.25.
15.25 0.25 centimeter, right? So now again we are going to calculate one more value of the focal length. Again change the position of the object, just shift it, and now again place the lens. Same procedure you have to follow. Again you have to find the image of the object and remove the parallax. Okay, now this is the position of the object where the parallax is removed. Take the thread. With the help of the thread, measure the distance. This is coming near about 14 centimeter, sorry, 14.5 centimeter. From the top of the plane mirror. So remove the lens and measure the height x2. Like this. So this is 15 centimeter, right? So now write down the reading. This is 14.5 centimeter and this is 15 centimeter. So again we are going to find out the focal length. So becomes 14.5 plus 15 by 2. This is your 29.5 divided by 2. So finally it is 14.75 centimeter is the focal length of the lens. Now we are going to calculate the mean focal length. This way you can calculate more readings, maybe 4 to 5. Now we are going to calculate the mean of the focal length. So it becomes 15.25, 14.75 divided by 2. So here it comes 15.25 plus 14.75, that is 30 by 2. Finally this is 15 centimeter. So the focal length of the lens is 15 centimeter, right? Precautions you have to take, that the tip of the pin and the optical center of the lens must be at the same level. There should be no parallax error between the tip of the pin and its inverted image. Thank you.